Tutorial on how I made my houndstooth first.
Started with a foundation band for the bottom. I chained 15 and worked with single crochet back loop to 96 rows. After completing the band, I made single crochet across the band.
So I'm done here. I started my work with a double crochet to be followed by single crochet. So you have to do single, double, single, double, single, double to the end. So at the end of this row, instead of completing it with the same color as I would do, I'll change to my color, chain one and turn over my work. This is trick I use in hiding my yarn. So I weave it inside as I'm crocheting. So since the previous row ended with double crochet, this row I started it with a single crochet. In this current row, I make sure that my single crochet is on top of my double crochet from my last row. Then my double crochet will be on top of my single crochet from my previous row. This is how it is done. I continued like that till I got to a specific row.
Continue with it till 40 rows without increasing nor decreasing.
Here I already had the front and the back panel.
And it is measured 13 inches.
After getting my 40 rows, I decided to start working on the armhole. I reduced 10 stitches for the armpit and continued with the pattern stitch. Remember, half double crochet on top of single crochet and single crochet on top of half double crochet.
But I reduced my work at the beginning, both at the beginning and the end of each row, till I got to the 10 row, counting from where I started reducing.
I kept on reducing till I get to 10 rows from where I started reducing to make it a total of 50.
I did more 26 rows without reducing.
I got a total of 76 rows.
So for the front panel, my stitches are already uneven, it's odd number. So I found the middle. I counted both sides and I was left with one at the middle. As I'm working on the armpit, I'm working on the v-neck. So I started working on the one side of the front. Just like we reduced at the back panel by the armpit, I reduced both at the beginning and the end of each row. But by the v-neck, I was only reducing Y at the beginning. When I got to the 10 row, I stopped reducing by the armhole while continue reducing by the neck.
And this is how it came out. Fine. Here I had already fixed one side of my work. I had already picked my wrong side and my right side. As for the right side, I picked the side that the white didn't look like the background. So we'll start by joining the shoulder at the wrong side. I used a slip stitch because I didn't need a build up. After joining the shoulder, I proceeded to joining the side. I used a single crochet to join the side. I'm already done joining the sides now, so I will proceed to joining the foundation band to the armhole. Already done one. Instead of 15 stitches, 15 chain that I used in doing the bottom, I used 10 here. I did a total of 110 row back loop. So I did not join the end of my band before attaching it. So after attaching it, I joined the end. For the neckband, I used 10, I chained 10 and did single crochet back loop as much as I could do. I did as much as I could for this neckband because I didn't know how many rows would be enough to go around the neck. I loosed the excess that was remaining after joining it.
This is how it came out. If I wanted it to be this style, I would have used a slip stitch to join it. But since I liked it as it is fly out color, as the color is fly out, I just left it like this. I loved it more after doing it this way. That's why I left it like this. Thank you for watching, and please try and subscribe.